Hey girly girls, and welcome back to Tailor Made Beauty Room. Today's video is going to be an office makeover video. So what I'm going to do is give you a small tour of this room. Now this room actually used to be my son's bedroom. As you can see, it has very high ceilings. There's a telescope over there in the corner that belongs to my husband, which my son loves to play with. This room has become a little bit of a catch-all though, because as you can see right here on the floor are the contents of the cases belonging to my children who will be taking a ski trip shortly after Christmas. Right behind their ski wear is an armoire. It used to be my son's wardrobe for his clothes, but obviously as he's outgrown this room, we've now actually made this a filing cabinet. And as you can see, there's a box of files right next to the armoire. Over here is a throwback map that belonged to my son when this was his room. It's wipeable, he used to draw on it all the time. And across the room, as you can see, is my son's old wallpaper. It has a comic strip on it, which is very popular in the UK, called the Beano, with its character Dennis the Menace. My son absolutely used to adore this wallpaper when this was his bedroom. Right below the wallpaper is a set of drawers, and as you can see, we've got various books scattered all over the top and a couple of books and files. Down here we have a random rucksack which has just been left there. Like I said, this room has become a little bit of a catch-all. And there we have our printer and another file box below the printer. Lots of files on the top, lots of rubbish in the bin that needs emptying. And on the desk we have a storage unit for my daughter's old school books, and I believe there are some of her college books there. I have my MacBook there. I also have a large screen and just various paraphernalia all over this desk that basically needs clearing. And wait a minute, I do believe that there are some gym mats just left abandoned in the corner there, so I'll need to remove those. So yeah, I think I'm going to do a little bit of a pink themed girly office makeover. I am going to be concentrating only on this area here, because at the end of the day, it's not like it's my beauty room where I've got total control of the colour pink and it can go everywhere that I want. Because other people do use this room, both of my children use this room, my husband uses this room and I use this room, I feel that I can only put my stamp of pinkness on this desk area right here. So yeah, let's roll right in. Okay, so before I get into this video, I absolutely must give credit where credit is due and let you know that the inspiration for this video actually came from a fellow YouTuber called the Fancy Pink Chick. I was really inspired by a video that she did recently where she did a office Christmas decoration video, and I absolutely adored it. I've been following her for some time now, and she's been showing my channel nothing but love. So please check out my link in the description for her channel, and let's roll right in with this video. So I found this gorgeous pink table mat off eBay, and it really is lovely. It was less than £5, and yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. So now I'm going to dress my desk. Okay, so this is how my desk turned out. Very, very pretty and pink. So yeah, let's take a look at the rest. Okay, so I thought that I'd start off this pink office makeover tour right over here by the window with a couple of items that I think are really, really cute. So either side of this really, really cute Nutcracker Soldier, which incidentally, I purchased him from Primark. And don't you think, no, actually that's wrong. I didn't purchase him from Primark, I purchased him from B&M. And I think he's so cute. He's pink and gold. I'm not sure if the camera is picking up all of the colouring due to the light coming in from outside, but he is such a cute little gentleman. And either side of him are two absolutely stunning picture frames. I'm actually in the middle of switching out the photographs in these picture frames. One of them is a beautiful pale baby pink, and the other one is white, and they look so, so cute. And I just thought this would be a really nice, cute place to start. So over here is the print that I purchased from the range. I actually purchased two of these prints and I haven't hung them up yet because basically it just does not go with the comic strip print behind it on the walls. So at some point I shall be redecorating this entire room, and then I'll be able to put up both of these pictures, but they really are cute. Just below that, I managed to get a little bit more pink into this room. So from my beauty room, I actually brought my camera in, and I thought it would just look cute as a decor piece. I also have a DIY flower box. I did make this myself. I've mentioned this before in previous videos. And I also have a little tiny Yankee candle. Now the flower boxes, I actually purchased the boxes themselves from eBay, and the Chanel ribbon that goes around it is actually from a perfume set that I received as a gift. As a matter of fact, all of my flower boxes have designer ribbon around them, and all of the ribbon did actually come from perfume sets. It just goes to show that you can actually repurpose ribbons and perfume box sets to make something else really quite pretty. And just below that table is something that I use as a storage box, but is actually a biscuit tin. Now I purchased this biscuit tin along with two others, a blue one and a yellow one, and then once the blue and yellow one were finished, I actually kept the pink one. Now I purchased these from London. We went for a weekend away in London, and I just fell in love with this one. Of course, I was always going to buy it just because I always knew I was going to keep the pink biscuit tin, and I just think it's totally adorable. Look at that. You would never know that this was actually a biscuit tin, and I've just repurposed it. And you know, I was thinking about putting pens in there, markers, pencils, pencil sharpeners, maybe a stapler. It really, really is a beautiful tin. Look at the detail. It actually reminds me of something from my Flower Nose Swan ballet collection. It's really, really cute. But yeah. Okay, over here I managed to get a little bit more pink into my office by bringing in some Christmas decorations. I brought a pretty pink glittery notebook in just to put on the top of these drawers, but I also brought in a Christmas gingerbread train. Look at that, it's so cute. There's a little gingerbread man there in the back, his penguin pal in the front with a little bunny rabbit, and a cute little teddy bear with a Santa's hat on actually driving the train. I thought this was so cute, and I actually did steal this from my beauty room because this was, should I say, actually at the bottom of my tree, and it looks so cute. I thought I just need to bring it in here. I also brought this cute little pink gingerbread house in as well. Look at that, so cute with the pale pink and the baby blue. Really, really is cute. So moving along down here on the floor, as you will remember, there was an old rucksack here. I have repurposed this space and put a couple of my Slmissglam boxes on the floor. I just think they look really cute and feminine and pretty, and why not? Moving across, here is my son's computer on top of the printer, and on top of my son's computer is a selection of beauty books. Most of them are pink. There's the one black Chanel one, but I just thought, you know what better place to have books than in an office? So, you know, I think it looks pretty cute. And over here, you will remember this bag from my Shein or Sheout video. I did give a review on this bag. It does come as a 4-piece set, so you should check out that video. I have actually repurposed this bag to make it something for me to carry around my little iPad. So as you can see, I do actually have a mini iPad in there, and you know, I just think that it looks pretty cute. And yeah, actually, speaking about iPad storage, Shopping Princess actually has a daily pouch which is similar to this, and is actually for the sole purpose of carrying around laptops or iPads or mini iPads, and it really, really is absolutely beautiful. I will link her below. I may actually put a picture up just to show you what it is I'm speaking about, but they're absolutely gorgeous. I really want to get my hands on one of those. Over here is the pièce de résistance, and this is how my desk actually turned out. So as you can see, let's start over here. I've repurposed my Slmissglam makeup bag, and I've made it into a cute little pencil case. So I have some pens and pencils, erasers in there. I thought it was really cute and pink, so I thought, why not? Plus, the pencil cases that I do actually have were not pink, so I thought, no, I'm going to use a makeup bag instead. I have a Yankee Candle scent here, which I think is really cute. Look at that bottle. Really, really cute. I thought that would really look nice in the office, and it would also make my office smell very, very nice indeed. I have a cute little pink Chanel compact mirror here, because just because you may be working in your office, it's no excuse to look bad. So why not have your mirror in there, and you can touch up your makeup if you're in a rush. Okay, so over here I have my Louis Vuitton notebook. I did show you this in a previous video, and I did also say that, you know, I was going to make it feature in my office video because I think it's appropriate to have a Louis Vuitton notebook. There in the middle, of course, is my very battered and bruised MacBook. Right next to that is a thing of beauty. This cup and saucer set is absolutely delightful. I think it is so, so cute. I just had to get my hands on it. When I saw several YouTubers promoting this, I thought it's so, so cute. I need to get it. And I'm so pleased that I did. Obviously, I will not be using the spoon in this cup, and I will actually be using this cup very, very sparingly, because I do not want the gold detailing and the gold piping to sort of like tarnish. It is absolutely beautiful. Okay, so right next to that cup and saucer set is a little display I have going on here with my bottled water. So I do like to drink a lot of water, so I have actually 2 bottles there. And yeah, I just thought, what better place to have it than next to you in your desk, because after a cup of coffee, after a little while of working or several hours of working, you may fancy some water. So I popped 2 pretty pink water bottles in there. Also on this display is some Clarins hand cream, because you may get dry hands with all the typing that you will be doing or should be doing. And I have a couple of lip glosses or lip balms, should I say, which I purchased, all 3 of these from Primark. And these are featured in a previous video of mine as well. They're really, really cute and nourishing. As you can see, I managed to squeeze in a little bit more Christmas decor. I purchased both of these items. Actually, no, I tell a lie. The pink Christmas tree I got from Primark, and the pastel Christmas tree, the pink, blue and white, I purchased from the range. I think it is so, so cute. As always, I will link in the description the details of where I purchased these items. And so on to my planners. You will recognise these planners also from previous video. Again, I'll link below where I got these planners from, because I got them from a mixture of pre-loved sites, eBay, Etsy. So yeah, I have quite a selection, Primark. So yeah, I've definitely reviewed all of these before, so maybe it might actually be better for me to link that video in the description below, and then you can check them out individually if you choose to, so then you will know where I purchased these from and how much I paid for them. Hiding behind those planners is this beautiful glittery pink and silver Christmas tree. It is so cute. And right next to that is a pen holder. Well, it could be a pen holder or a makeup brush holder. It's very versatile. As you can see, I have both pens and Slmissglam makeup brushes in there. I think they look really good, and I think this actually goes with this also, with the mirrored bottom and the gold detailing. I think it's really, really cute, and I think it makes this office space look really luxe. Let me just stand back a little bit so you can check out my desk. I personally think that looks really, really cute. Oops, I nearly forgot my Ted Baker bag hanging on the outside just for decor. But I really do think that I've done very well in this little office space. I think it looks so, so cute. Let me know what your thoughts are, and let me know if what you would do in your office space, or if you have any recommendations. But for now, ta-ta for now.